Congratulations, Year 5/6s. You have been selected to participate in School Survivor. Do you have what it takes to survive? Let's find out. In this blog, you will be building your own shelter, survival shelter. If you were lost in the bush, would you be able to survive? Let's have a look at the project overview. This project overview has all the bits and pieces that you need to know to complete your blog and to complete your shelter. It's got the curriculum standards and what you will know at the end of this project. So you will be able to recognize different shelters have different functions. You'll be able to build a shelter using only natural materials. Now we've got the task of what exactly you need to do, what you will be marked on, and who will see your project, and how this connects to the characteristics of meaningful learning. So we'll read through all of this in class. So now we get down to the good stuff, the project content. So this has got each lesson, you've got 10 lessons of 50 minutes each, and it goes through each lesson. There is a different part of how to create your blog, setting up your blog, and then going through designing and constructing your shelter. So this project has two parts. So each week there's a new lesson. Anything in blue, that's directed at you, the students. The purple is for the teachers, just a prompt and a reminder to stay on task. So make sure if you see anything in blue that you pay really close attention to it. Now we can go through to the example that I've made of how your blog might look. So we've got School Survivor, we've got good graphics, we've got our pages, so we've got our home page, the project, about us, and evaluation. This has got your rubric on here on how you will be marked. So this is really important, this part, so you can go through and make sure that you know what you're supposed to be doing. And then it lines up the project. So on here it's got it step by step, the research I did, the design, it's very pretty basic, the materials in my surrounding environment, and then how I went about constructing my shelter. So your blog could look a little bit like this. It's got what I've learnt and how I went about it. So through this blog here, my blog, A Day Down South, you will be able to follow the prompts, follow each week's lesson, and we'll be able to make a shelter. We'll see who has the best one. Good luck!